here in theory.
Gay!
But I'm gonna need you to come back in.
Gay!
Kevin, what are you doing?
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
The fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. Bye. You get your goddamn.
Hello?
I could not figure out why he was in here making all this noise. Oh, shit! Oh.
Honestly, in love. I literally think this is love. That's all he wants to do.
Turns out he's been just cheating on me. He's going to the neighbor's house 4 doors down.
Hey!
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
What are you doing?